I think some of the main areas of application of machine learning and AI in the supply chain industry in the future are going to be around demand prediction, inventory planning, network design, and any kind of complex optimization problem that is becoming increasingly difficult to solve for the industry. I'm Matthias Winkenbach, and I'm a principal research scientist at the MIT Center for Transportation and Logistics. The key ingredients to successfully implementing an AI strategy in your supply chain organization is having a strategy around the AI compute architecture that you're going to use. So whether you're going to be able to build infrastructure in-house or you're going to rely on third-party cloud services, basically. Having a solid data strategy so that you have a good foundation to actually train models on. But I think the most critical part, however, is having the right people who can translate your actual business problems into the requirements for an AI model. So you need someone who understands your business well enough to be able to say, okay, this is the problem that we're trying to tackle first when we implement AI. And then obviously you need talent that can take that translation and turn it into an actual model implementation. So we are not yet at a point where we just say AI can solve everything in a better, faster, cheaper way. And that's kind of where we're currently pushing the boundary of research to still ensure that the domain experts who will hopefully end up using these models and methods trust them. Developing AI methods or models that would be able to beat existing state-of-the-art methods in terms of solution speed, solution quality, but most importantly, solution cost. In terms of AI adoption across the entire supply chain logistics industry, we are still at a very early stage. And that's because right now, this is really cutting-edge technology that requires resources that not many companies in the industry currently possess. But hopefully, as these methods become more mature and more applications are published, we do hope that this technology quickly propagates through the entire industry and also smaller companies start adopting it more frequently. However, it also requires to basically say a few words of caution because this technology is highly powerful, and it's powerful in a way that most of us don't fully understand what it is actually capable of. So be careful when it comes to sharing confidential information. Be mindful when it comes to investing into the resources and talent that you actually need to get AI models off the ground within your company. And also be aware that it will take time to build those capabilities. Yes, AI and machine learning is probably the next big thing in the supply chain logistics industry, but it's not the only thing you should be thinking about. Try to find the right balance between investing some of your budget for research, development, analytics into exploring this space, but not all of it. There is still a lot of research to be done.